Hello students, so today we will continue self-practice 14a. Self-practice 14a. In the last class we have done all the formulas to calculate the perimeter and area of the plane figure. Today we will do the exercise question. See the first question of self-practice 14a1. So the first question in this, calculate the perimeter of the each figure. The first figure is given a square, you see in 1a, there is given a square of side 8 cm. There is given a square of side 8 cm. So this is square is given. So you have to calculate the perimeter of this square. So the perimeter of the square, is equals to 4 into side. 4 into side of square. Here the side of the square is given what? 8 centimeter. So side of the square is given 8 centimeter. So 4 into 8 centimeter. So 4 is 32 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this square? 32 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, we use perimeter of the V. This figure is given in the L shape. Here the length of this is 1 centimeter and this side is 2 centimeter and this side is 3 centimeter and this side is 2 centimeter. Okay, so here you have to find the whole length. So see, this is 1 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So this bottom side is 4 centimeter. Now see, we will calculate this. This is 2 centimeter and this height is 2 centimeter again. 2 plus 2. So this also is what? 2. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal. This is 2 and this is also 2. So this will become 4 centimeter. So this height is what? 4 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of the figure. So the perimeter of this is equals to. So what we write? Perimeter equals to add the length of all the boundaries. So we start from here. So what you write? 1 plus 2 plus here this boundary length is 3 plus 2 plus this boundary length is 4 plus this boundary length is 4 again. This one 70 meter. So what we got? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. So the perimeter we got 16 centimeter. So the perimeter we got here 16 centimeter. Okay. So now we move to the next question. So to calculate the perimeter of any figure, you have to move around the boundary of the given figure. So calculate the boundary length of the figure, you will get the perimeter. So here the isosceles triangle is given in C. Isosceles triangle is given in C. These two sides are equal and one equal side is given 20 centimeter and the base is given 15 centimeter. So since this is isosceles triangle, see mark is given, this side is equal to this. So the measurement, the length of this side is also 20 centimeter. So for the perimeter, what you have to do? Add these three sides, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 15, 55. So you will get the perimeter 55 centimeter for this. Okay. So D is the rectangle you apply the formula of the rectangle. Rectangle length and breadth is given in this you find. See, this is length 25 centimeter given and the width of the rectangle breadth is 15 centimeter given. So perimeter of rectangle. So what you write? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B. So here length is given what? 25 and breadth is given what? 15. 80 centimeter. The perimeter for this you will get what? 80 centimeter. Similarly, you can calculate the perimeter of the pentagon also. One side is given 4 meter in the pentagon. So this is a pentagon shape in which all sides are equal, and each side measurement is given 14 meters. So the perimeter of this pentagon will be 14 into 5, that is 70. So the perimeter of the pentagon. So what do you write? That is the question number 3. Perimeter of pentagon equals to 5 into side. So 5 sides are there. So 5 into 14 meter equals to 14 5 plus 70 meter. Okay. So similarly you do the remaining questions of this number 1, question number 1, F, G and H, just to calculate the boundary of. Now I will do the question number I. In question number I, there is an I-shaped figure. So how you calculate the perimeter for this I-shape? So this is an I-shaped figure. So boundary length is given here 20 centimeter. So calculate, add all these boundary length. This is 8 centimeter. So this is 15 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Okay, and that is 20 centimeter here also. So add all the boundary length you will get. That is also 5 centimeter. Each side is given. So to calculate the perimeter, what do you have to do? Add all the boundaries there. So 20 centimeter plus 8, 28, 28 plus 5, this was 5, 33 plus 15, 33, 5, 38, 10, 48, 48 plus 5, 53, 53, 8, 61, 61, 20, 81, 81 plus 8, 89, 89 plus 5, 94, 94 plus 15, 94, 5, 99, 99 and 10, 109. 109 plus 5, 114. 114 plus 8, 122. So the perimeter what we got from this figure, 122 centimeter. Like this you have to calculate. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will solve the remaining question of the exercise practice 14a. Thank you for your kind attention.